Today is going to be a super important day for you because we're going to learn how to log into our back office. This is the number one thing you need to do to run your business because this is where you're going to order your samples, order your own supplies, look at your reports, find out who your customers are, when their products are shipping, all kinds of great things. So I want you to get with your sponsoring ambassador to learn all the details of your back office. But in the meantime, to get you started, I'm going to show you how to log in. So follow along. We're going to just do a few basic things. I'm actually going to do screenshots and show you where to go. And then tomorrow we're going to talk about getting those samples ordered and why it's so important, how to talk about them, and what to say to customers to get your business growing. To get started, all you're going to do is go to the plexusworldwide.com website. And when it comes up, we're going to go over here to the right-hand corner and click on Ambassador Login. Now, when you got your email for signing on, there should have been an ambassador number. So make sure you pull that out. Sometimes there's just going to be a login box that says ambassador number, and sometimes you're going to see this page. So you're going to click here where it says distributor login. And this is the page typically you would see when you click that login button. You're going to enter all your information and log in. Now keep in mind, I'm just going to show you the basics. You're going to want to work with your sponsor to do a full in-depth training on the back office, but this will at least get you started. So once you're in, the first thing you're going to do is go to My Account and My Profile Update. What you want to do is verify that all your information is correct, and you want to come down here to your earnings payment method. This is how you're going to receive your commission. So you need to determine if you want to do direct deposit or a pro pay card. And again, your sponsor can help you with setting all of that up. And then when you're done filling out your bank information, if you're going to do direct deposit, just click Save. The next thing you need to know how to do is how to order your own products. So you're going to come under Shopping and New Order. Once you get to this page, just go ahead and select any products that you're interested in purchasing, add them to the cart, and then go through the entire checkout process. It's important that when you get to the last page, there's going to be a button that says Make Payment. Make sure you click that, otherwise your order is not going to be processed. The other thing you need to know about is your backup order. When you signed on, you should have turned on your backup order. What this does is allows you to be commission qualified. This is how you're going to get paid your commission check. So it needs to be turned on. So we set this up in the initial sign up process. But if you ever want to change it, this is where you're going to come and just edit. You can either edit here and add different products to your backup order as long as it reaches 100 PV. That's the key. And you can see on the screen here, it tells you exactly how many PV it's worth. If for some reason you ever need to turn your auto ship off because you have enough product, maybe nobody has ordered from you that month and you don't want to receive your backup order on the 25th, you're just going to come in and hit the delete button. Let's say a few days later somebody decides to order and you want to make sure you receive your commission. You're going to come back to this page and do Create New Backup Order. And again, just add enough products to hit your 100 PV. Hit I think it's Continue, and then it will save it for you. It's actually going to look like you're purchasing product, but you're not. You're just setting up this order so that these products will be listed right here. The resource section is fantastic for you to get to know some of your basic Plexus information. There's a knowledge base back here, some basic information about each product. The compensation plan, this is so important that you learn, and again, work with your sponsor. List of our opportunity calls, artwork. If you wanted to order business cards through the back office, this is where you would do it. Another great place is this 18 Tips to Success. It's 18 videos. I highly suggest you watch them. It's a great place to start. One of the reports that you're going to want to pay attention to is going to be your Ambassador Genealogy Report. If you click Upline, it's going to show you who is in your upline, so who your sponsor is, who their sponsor is. You can go down 3 levels, hit Process Report, and there you can see your entire upline. And that way you know who to reach out to if you need some help. The other is Sponsor Downline. This is where you're going to see your team as you start to sign ambassadors. You can also see your current PV here, so how much you have sold or ordered. So just go ahead and if you're brand new, just keep it at one level. You can select up to 12 levels down. Process report. And right here is where you're going to see your current PV as well as people on your team. Another report that's important is your orders report. When it first comes up, you're going to see any of your orders. You can click the order number and track your shipments. You can also go to customer orders, process report, and that's where you're going to see all your customers. Same thing, click their order number, find their tracking numbers, let them know when their shipments are on the way. You're going to want to also look at financials. This is where you're going to see your paycheck. You're going to click either weekly or monthly, select the date range, and hit commission detail. There, it pops up as a PDF, so make sure your pop-up blocker is turned off or you're not going to be able to see it. That's about it for reports. Event registration is great for signing on for corporate events like Super Saturday or convention. Other than that, go ahead and work with your sponsor to have a full in-depth training of the back office, but hopefully this is enough to get you started, order your samples, your business cards, etc. Keep track of your customers and where your PV is at.